Welcome to physics class. Let us study about the prisms today. What is the meaning of prism? A prism is having two plane surfaces inclined at an angle with respect to each other. The two refracting surfaces are there in the prism. The two interfaces of refraction in a prism inclined at an angle equal to the apex angle. So what is the meaning of the refracting surface? A refracting surface in some prisms setups, the internal rays hits the second refracting surface such that the total internal refraction occurs. So that is termed as what here the refracting prisms. So let us see here is the prism. So it is a triangular in a shape. So this is the triangular in a shape. So the ABC is a prism. So here AB and AC are the two refracting surface. BC is termed as a base. The base is usually the rough surface to avoid the total internal reflection. So let us consider how the refraction takes place in the prism. Whenever the light which enters into the prism or in any other medium, so there is an bending takes place. So here you please see the angle of incident or incident ray. The first just see the PQ. The PQ is an incident ray and QR is the refracted ray or S is the emergent ray. So here N is the normal. So here also N dash. So the angle between the normal to the incident ray is termed as what? Angle of incident. Then here is an emergent ray is there. So the angle between the normal and also what? The emergent ray is termed as what? Angle of emergence. So here is R and R is here. So that is termed as what? Angle of refraction. So the angle between the incident ray just is passing like this. And the emergent ray which is produced backwards, here there is an angle is formed that is termed as an angle of deviation. So there is a relationship between the angle of deviation, angle of the prism A and incident ray, that is an angle of the incident and also angle of that emergence. What is that relation? So here is A, angle of the prism, and also this delta. The delta is an angle of deviation. The sum of these two things is equal to angle of incidence and also angle of emergence. So that is a relation between these four things. Now how the dispersion takes place in the prism. So let us see the dispersion. What is the meaning there by a dispersion? A dispersion is the splitting of light, the white light, into its constituent colors is termed as a dispersion. So what are its constituent colors? The constituent colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So we will term it as an whip Gaillard. So please see the colors we can see in the due to the dispersion. When a white light falls on the prism with the help of a slit, then other side we can able to see all these 7 colors: violet, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So there is an indigo is also there in between violet and also the blue. So the splitting of white light into its constituent colors is termed as dispersion of light. When this dispersion takes place, when the combination of all these colors, we will get a what? The white light. So here is a simple experiment we have. So here is two prisms are there. So the one is placed inverted. So the P1 is a one prism, the P2 is another prism. When a white light is falls on this prism, so it's split into what? The 7 colors. So the violet is here and the red is at another end. Whenever it falls on another prism, so there is a recombination takes place, and at last on the screen you will get the white light. So the dispersion is nothing but the splitting of light into its constituent colors, and if you recombination of all these colors, we will get what? The white light. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you very much.